Hey guys, today we're actually going to do a viewer requested video. Last summer, we had our garage floors painted with an industrial grade epoxy resin, and many of you have been asking, how is it holding up? How do we maintain it? So here you go. It has withstood everything that I have thrown and spilled on it over the past year. We've had dozens of cars in here for lengthy periods of time. I have washed vehicles in here with rinseless washes and chemicals. I've spilled compounds, polishes. My kids have had their bikes back and forth. We've had our trucks in and out constantly, wet, dry, everything. We haven't had a whole lot of snow and salt that we've had to deal with, which I'm actually really happy about. But I'm sure that even if we were to get that, these floors would be able to withstand it, because I've kind of spilled acid on these floors and it's been fine as long as I mop it up pretty quickly. So I blew everything out with the blower, because what's great about the epoxy floors is that nothing really sticks to it. Everything just kind of blows out really nice and easy. So now we're going to go ahead and mop. Now when it comes to what solution to use, I've actually tried a couple of different mop solutions, anywhere from like Lysol. I found that did a decent job of cleaning, but it could actually leave behind almost a haze on this floor that when you walked on it afterwards, you could kind of see your footprints in the garage floor, and it sometimes left behind too much residue that it had the potential that when it was reactivated with water, could make it slippery or foamy or things like that. So I'm not a huge fan of putting like a dedicated cleaner on this floor. I do remember when discussing with the painter how to maintain it, he's like, you can use just kind of like soap and water, even water alone. I have found that it doesn't leave behind a lot of residue. Typically with rinseless washes, you want to dry it afterwards, but I have found that what I like about this is it has really good cleaning capabilities, but it's not leaving behind a lot of foamy residue that has the potential to make the floor slippery, and it hasn't created like that hazing afterwards where when I'm walking on it you can see my footprint. So I've actually been using a rinseless wash on my garage floors. It does a really great job. So we're gonna put some of this in a bucket, get our mop set up, and get to work. See, I have maybe 1.5 gallons of water in there. You don't need much. So for that reason, 2 capfuls of solution, and that's all you need. This is the Autofiber shop mop. We're just gonna kind of put it in our bucket, let it soak up that solution. This is actually, I had used this last time I mopped the floors, just kind of rinsed it out. It's very easy to release the dirt and to rinse it out. It does come with 3 heads. Now there's not a very scientific way to squeeze this out other than to just channel the power of Thor and to just try to squeeze it out. It's very thick, so it can be a little cumbersome, but you don't want to actually squeeze out all that solution. Now we're gonna go ahead, our mop head down. We've got our mop handle. See, we've got our back here, and we're ready to go. Autofiber shop mop. You can see it has a telescoping handle. We've got a foam grip. I'm pretty tall, so you can have it as long or as short as you like. We do have kind of a tapered head here. We can pull it off very easily. And then you have your kind of hook that you can grab it here if it gets super dirty, and you can hang it up on a wall here to kind of drip dry. The mop holds a lot of cleaning solution, and so I can do almost an entire half of the garage in one application. Even stubborn tire marks or residue that fell down behind tires, it cleans it up with ease. Here's our dirty mop head. It's picking up a lot of dirt very quickly. I'm gonna come here, re-soak that in my rinseless solution. And again, squeeze out your excess. It took me a couple of months to nail down the right process for cleaning these floors. I tried the Rubbermaid microfiber mops, even the O-Cedar spin mop bucket system. I tried a couple of different APCs, different cleaners. They left too much residue, took too long to clean the floors, but the rinseless wash and the Autofiber shop mop I found is the best way to clean these floors quickly and effectively. And here's the proof that a rinseless wash can actually clean your garage floors. When you're done with the mop head, you can launder it with your PNS Rags to Riches or Micro Restore like you would with any of your normal microfibers. Air dry low, and it's good to go for the next time you need to clean your floors. And we're all done. Thanks to the Autofiber shop mop, we were able to very quickly clean the garage floors. Makes it fun, makes it simple, and that's what I am all about these days. So I will put the link to this product down below. We're gonna go ahead and get it cleaned, let everything dry up, and then we are ready for our next detail. So that's how I maintain my garage floors. Hopefully that can help some of you guys out who maybe you have an epoxy resin floor or garage shop floor that you're looking to make maintenance easier. I'll put the link to this product down below, but what works for you guys? What do you guys use to maintain your garage floors or your shop floors? This is a way, it's not the only way, but I have found that it is really helpful for me in my scenario. So thanks guys for watching. If you have any other questions about detailing or about my process that you would like for me to do a dedicated video on, let me know and I will try to do that in the very near future. But thank you guys for your engagement on this channel. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys in the next detail. Have a great day.